Hi, this is Mark Arthur, your tour guide for safety and awareness. Our part one was about my costume and my love for safe sex practices, lessen HIV and STD, to bring it down. And number two is to be environmentalist and help Mother Earth. And number three is to have discipline. And number four is to have love for the arts. And the part two of my document is about my different headpieces. This one is the Jester's hat, which I got in Star City last year. It's a nice thing because it depicts happiness. Para pag happy ka, di ba? It's always nice that you're a happy person. When you say gay, it's gorgeous, adorable, yuppie. It's yet, we're still single, and then we're still finding ourselves, and then in the future, we'll have a wife someday. So, that's the meaning of gorgeous, adorable, yuppie. So this is my Jester's hat, and this is my tie. It's like, it goes with a headband, pero I've never used the headband kasi parang Walt Disney na Mickey Mouse. And then, I also have of course, ito naman, pang welder. Yung drama mo, pag nag-welding ka, di ba? Yan, pwede mo suot kung nag-welding ka. Like that, or pwede rin sa standby floor. Tapos meron din akong gitara. Parang ni Elvis Presley. One for the money, two for the show. Tit-tararira-rarita, tit-tararira, tit-tararira. At ito pa yung, I got this in Green Hills, yung sa Elvis Presley. I also have a costume for Elvis Presley. Parang, it's also nice kasi pag may mga white party, kasi may mga Elvis, it's nice. Sa States, magaganda yung mga Elvis nila, pero ito Philippine at China made yata. Pero okay na rin. Pero yung talagang magagandang costumes in the US. But I may travel soon and bring some costumes here at saka mga newbies. I also have my, of course, my Mario Brother get up. Tan 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 tan. See? It's always nice to be happy. Sabi nga nila, when you're happy, you share your love and smile to the world. And when you cry alone. Kaya mas maganda lang yung happy ka. You have close family ties with your family and bonding. And syempre, before, I was in a hurry to have a kid. Pero now, parang pinag-aaralan ko, or kung ibibigay ng God sa akin through divine intervention or meet a woman who loves and accepts me, then I will do and pursue it soon. And our next one naman is, dito naman, mga wigs naman. You can buy this also naman in Star City. You just wear them, tapos there. And I am smart, and I am from Europe. O, diba? Ganda, diba? Tapos, meron din pwede ka rin na parang Phantom of the Opera. Parang, I am the Phantom of the Opera. Dance for me. Dance for me. Okay. And our next naman is ito. Ito naman, I got this sa may tulay sa Quiapo. This goes with a parang hula for a girl. Pero pag ginapit mo, parang grass skirt. Pero pwede na rin pang lalaki. Parang when you wear it, it's like, yan. Parang very, it's like the masquerade sa Cebu. In Berlin yata pa yan, or Brazil, they have Mardi Gras. Eh yung parang sa atin nun, yung sa Cebu naman, hindi siya Mardi Gras, pero we have pag yung sa Viva Santo Niño, they have different costumes, they have different, yung mga sexy dancers, kung ano-ano. Tapos, meron din naman ako pirate hat. Ito, I think I got this also sa Star City naman. Parang pwede ka rin drama, pwede ikaw ang pirate sa Caribbean, diba? And I also have this one, yung Let the Force be with you. Tan 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 tan. Star Wars. And I also have a Michael Jackson hat, which I use from time to time. Okay? So I also have sister's hat. Ito yung pang mother naman. Parang, how about our other duties, mother? Siyempre, huwag tayong makakalimot mag-pray. Hindi naman pwede na lagi na lang tayo happy, tapos we like gimmick, discos, playing. Siyempre, pag nag-play, kailangan safe sex practices, not only the RH bill, pero siyempre, which the government should tackle, and sex education, siyempre, kailangan ituro yan sa high school para hindi tayo mag-overpopulated, hindi mabuntis yung mga bata, mag-aral muna sila. At saka siyempre, importante yung we practice what we preach. Ako, little by little, I'm learning through my mistakes, and I'm happy kasi natututo ako. At saka siyempre, we also have to teach our children proper upbringing. At saka, ang pagkain, kahit gumamit tayo ng kamay at saka gumamit tayo ng kutsara tinidor, siyempre, kailangan may breathing pa rin. Dahan-dahan, huwag tayong kumain ng tas manners pa rin tayo para meron tayong proper grooming, proper hygiene, safe sex practices, love for business and productivity, yung mga business-minded tayo. Tapos, meron pa naman ako yung mga binibenta ko ng mga toys, which I'll show you. Ito yung tinatawag na siyempre, parang vibrator. 5% of my sales will go to charity, like what was from my State Advocate Foundation. Ito, rubber vibrator, meron yung umiikot yung ulo. Ito, napakasarap para sa sensation. Ito naman, mga cock rings, which you put in your putotoy para makiliti yung, it's either the woman. Pero, pag we do anal practices, para my advice for you is use proper lubricant. At saka, kung kaya nyo iwasan nyo na lang. At saka, stick to one na lang para maiwasan ng HIV. Tapos ito naman, mga butt plugs to. Parang you put it up your behind para you feel the sensation. Mas safe ang mga sex toys kasi iwas sakit yon. Tapos ito naman ang tinatawag na flesh jack. Flesh jack naman na may parang you put your penis inside. Tapos, there's a rubber thingy. When you come, you can open the other side to clean it with water or alcohol. Tapos, meron siya parang vacuum na pump na 1, 2, 3, 4. The higher you go with the pump, the more pleasurable it goes. Tapos, ito naman yung male pump. Parang, ako, sometimes, like, when I use this, I take this with safe male enhancers. Hindi siya drugs, mga galing sa plant. One is robust. Sometimes I use that also when I like a good encounter. Pero syempre, safe sex practices, diba? Ito naman, you put your thing inside, tapos mo sa suction cup. Yan, parang gano'n. Tapos pumapasok. Tapos para kang pinahada nito. This is a good thing. Not only it will massage your near the prostate, it will give you a good sperm count. Hindi lang to parang laruan lang na parang walang kwenta. Ito, parang papacirculate niyo yung blood sa iyong penis. Para before you do it with your girlfriend or with your partner, it will give you a good sensation. At saka meron din akong whip. The whip is used for your partner para sa sweat. Para pa nag-roleplay, kunwari, you can use this pamalo sa any part of his body. Siyempre, yung mga roleplay, it's only for adults. You won't teach it, siyempre, to your children. At saka, siyempre, like the pole dancing, I was watching Anderson, and then yung topic was about pole dancing. Tama nga naman yung mga teachers ng pole dancers na they were teaching kids. There's a this line. Hindi mo naman pwede ituro sa bata yung mga para pole dancing para sa mga entertainers na sumasayaw sa mga clubs, di ba? Siyempre, yung tuturo mo sa mga bata, yung mga pole dancing for the art. Kaya dapat open-minded tayo para hindi makikitig yung utak pag party sinabi na pole dancing and it means 30 ka na or something. It's not like that. Sabi ko, kanya-kanyang para-paraan lang yan for business and for productivity and what knowledge we can share to the world. Kaya, ang importante, huwag ka lang manlalango ng kapwa, huwag ka magnanakaw, huwag ka maging masama, and things will fall in its proper perspective. And the last thing that I'm gonna show you pala is ito. Ako, Star World, nakalagay Star World, the Red Whistle. Ako, I am in support of the Red Whistle, no? So the Red Whistle, Mark Arthur, salute for you kasi parang I am always at your back. At saka the Red Ribbon Campaign also. Sabi kong gano'n, you might see me in the website, pero I teach safe sex practices, aside from sex toys will go to charity. Parang I teach the gay community not only to eat hot dogs with rubber, but the safer techniques to not to be monogamous. Tapos when you meet people, wag agad-agad na bibigay kasi sometimes you don't know baka you sleep with somebody kasi has HIV positive pala. Kaya maganda, do not use anal na lang. Pwede naman dyan yung ipit-ipit na lang or yung mutual masturbation. Tapos habang wala pa tayong mga asawa na babae, kung mag-play pa kayo with your campo boys, parang, or habang gay pa tayo, or gorgeous, adorable, yappy, you parang practice safe sex. Parang, I like teaching this. And sabi ko nga naman, di ba yung logo ko is Mark Arthur, sabi ko gano'n, on anything under the sun. We're not tackling anything about kabastusan. It's something for the community. So we learn. Kasi everyone naman has a purpose in life, di ba? It's finding your niche or where you're good at, whether it's red light, entertainment, posting, booking. It's nice that ever since time immemorial, sabi ko naman multifaceted ako. Tapos I have a lot to give. Sabi ko gano'n, I'm just waiting for God to give me the right opportunities and for people to give me also a break or in the movies again. And this may be a jump start, not only for me to teach safe-sex practices, but to help Mother Earth as well. And if I can help the Philippines to make it a better country, bakit hindi? I'm not doing this for anything. I'm just doing it as public service, not only for the gay community, but for the straight community as well. Kasi I like to find purpose in my life, aside from the gay community. Kasi sinasabi just na hindi pwede na forever na lang kayo gay. Hindi naman pwede forever na lang kayo na play ng play, tapos gay na nga, tapos magkakasakit pa. Kailangan mga gay, gorgeous, adorable, yappy, beautiful kayo, mabait kayo, maayos kayo, hindi tayo gumagamit ng mga masamang droga, responsible drinking tayo, at saka yung most of all na whenever you meet different people, always remember safe sex practices para hindi lang kayo safe, you pay it forward to the next people that we see. It's like networking also. Whether it's for business or productivity, always use your head, always use your heart, don't forget to pray. Tapos always the Red Whistle, Safe Advocate Foundation, and the Red Ribbon Campaign. Sabi kong ganon, hindi na bale na people talk, ang importante is tumutulong tayo para ang HIV ay bumaba. Remember, walang taong perfecto. Kahit sino. Just be yourself, love yourself. And to the gay community, and to the straight community, and to God, and to my family, I thank you all for supporting me and loving me and giving me all of the knowledge that I need. And if God will give me a girlfriend na and then a family soon, I'm willing to accept and take it as a challenge. I hope the gay community learns from me and the straight community as well to be environmentalists and which I showed in my instructional videos. And let's see what next chapter of my life will be. Thank you, a blessed good evening, and I love you all. This is Mark Arthur, your tour guide for safety and awareness. Hola!